Hello, welcome to Spy Money. So let's look at NQ, what it did on the 40 Spy Money bar. That's probably the best time frame, and it makes money daily. Um, 2 days ago, it made 3,200 and some odd dollars on one contract. Yesterday, it made what was it, like a little over 2,000, I think it was, and then today we're at $2,600. One contract, fully automated, untouched, just letting it do its thing. It does have some losses in there. If I was going to be managing this, it would have made more money, but I'm wanting to show untouched, and it does really well. So this one, the only thing you have to do is load the bot, load the template, and turn it on, and it just starts doing very well. I haven't had any drawdown or anything, so to speak, on it, but I will show you as far as the sheet on it that shows all of the numbers. A lot of people ask about that, and it's actually doing really well. It's got a 2.21 factor on it. So we're looking at this. The total max drawdown was $608.36, which is very little, and it did real well. Now this is just today. The dates are not accurate, but this just shows today running only, and it had a lot of profit mainly on the long trades. It only took looks like one short trade. Well, actually, I guess it took more than one because it had some losses in there. So if we would have turned shorts off and only taken loans today, then it would have done a lot better. So this $900, it would be higher, which would make it about $3,500 somewhere on through there. But that is the strategy performance of the bot today, and it did really well. Real pleased with it. It's made money just about every day that we've run it. And the main thing is we don't let them run all day just to make the most money. Our main thing is, hit our 50% goal, shut it off, and let it be. If you need more than that, then run two contracts. There is another way that another strategy we use for this, but you have to manually enter it, and it would have made more money. I can see the trades here, and it would have made more money if we would have used those strategies. Like this one right here, there's no way that if I was controlling this, I would let that go all the way up there. Just right here, this one right here would have been $395. So it was $5 away from taking profit. And so, this one right here would have been a winner instead of a loser. It took a full loss. If you were mainly controlling this, you would not have allowed that. Actually, when it got real close, what I teach everybody is just go ahead and take the profit if it's close to, hitting it and starts kind of maybe hesitating a little bit. Some of these up here, what I teach is whenever this takes off, is instead of letting it hit its profit target, just go ahead and chase the stops, and that's what would have happened here. You would have stopped out rolling through here. You can do that as well, but at least just get your full profit and let it be. So it does very well. It also let me look here. I'll show you how to get involved with this. If you go up to spymoneyllc.com and go up to the Ninja Suite, I won't bore you with telling you this, but watch this little video because the only way you can purchase it is if you copy this and put it into the contact us, and this says that you read this. Bots are not set it and leave it bots. You can't turn them on and just think you're going to make a bunch of money. You need to turn them on and monitor them. You need to be there with them and watch them. Anybody that says you can turn a bot on and walk away and go to work or whatever, run, because you can't do it. There's things that happen. We also recommend 4 funded accounts, and you can choose these companies, whichever one you want. Just click on these right here. There's also some discounts in here. Use those discounts to get the best rate. And also the VPS, if your computer is not up to par, I recommend running the bots on a VPS because the internet is better on those. So it actually works better if you're going to do that. That way, if something happens to your own ISP or your computer or whichever, you get where Microsoft will do its update, you won't have that problem with this. So click on this. The medium is the one that I recommend. Go with that, and you should be pretty good. If you have any questions, just do the contact, send me an email. Down here on the Ninja Suite, if you scroll down toward the bottom, you'll see we have a lot of different bots. I quit listening because some of them we discontinued. So we have several bots. The fire options and the flame are the ones most people use. I'd say probably 90-95% of the people use the options bot. It works incredible. People are making tons of money with it. And also we have a bunch of indicators, add-ons like a trade copier, toolbars. We have a bunch of drawing tools, and here's a list of questions that most people ask. And if you just read through here, most of your questions will be answered. And let me go back over here. Here, I'll show you this right here. This was the futures chat room. I took this trade a while ago, and it is on. I don't know if you can see that or not. Let me do this. I'll open it up in a window right here. So this is a trade that I took. It's a manual trade. It wasn't using the bot, but it was using the options bot strategy. I took this just a few minutes ago, and it was after the news and everything kind of settled down, and then I went ahead and grabbed this, and we traded this on a 10 SPY money bar. The SPY money bars are proprietary bars to our company. I developed them. They work great. It shows chop, as you can see right through here. This is chop. When you try to trade a Renko bar or something, they don't show the chop. They just show a down and an up bar. This shows chop, and it helps you out as far as getting in the trades. We do trade levels. That's why my stop was put right here, and it stopped out right there. When it went up, made a new high, come back down, and it stopped out. It actually ended up going all the way up to here, but I was up pretty good. Just 2 contracts. It was right. I think it was like 4:42 Eastern time, so 3 minutes before they end InterTrader cut you off. But it did real well. So let me show you a few other things here. And let's see here, the SpyBot chat room. So this is a chat room that we have, and this guy made $560 using the 10 SPY main bar. We did a training last night to teach you how to use that better and to make more money. And as you can see, people are doing very well. These are some of the ones that I run today, the different ones. Right here, Zach, 2 different bots. He $3,500 today. And limit up, he did 4,400 and 570. And so, we got different things in here. People are making money. And when you come down into our manual profits, this shows some of the profits today. Kate, she is a wonderful woman. Her and her husband have been trying forever to learn how to do options, or not options, but to do futures. And they signed up for this one company. They were there for a year, couldn't do it. Look at her go now. She called me up yesterday, was having a little trouble. I talked to her. We did a training last night, and this is what she did. She loves it now. She's doing very well. Eduardo, he had a little bit of trouble on some of his, but overall he did really well. And Limit Up did real well. Come down through here, Zachary. I mean, people are posting profits right and left. SpyFu, he's been with me a while. He got his $1,200. He tries to get about, let's see, well over my minimum $289 per day. That's what he tries to do. So he's almost double what his goal was. Limit Up, his first $10,000 day was yesterday, and did very well. SpyBot profits, Zachary's 3,500. Gold was up, I think it was a little over 500 or so. It's what, 153. That was in the morning, but it ended up finishing like $500 or $600 to the good. And Suzanne, $1,100. I mean, the profits are in there. Not everybody posts profits. Some people are private about that. Don't want people to know what they're making. Understandable. And but just get into the Ninja Suite. Go to it. Copy this right here. Put it into a contact to me, and that says that you agree to these. And once you do that, then we'll get you started. Once you get in the Ninja Suite and you pay for it, you go up here to Machine ID. It's automated, and it'll let you get into, set that up. We also have our download files here, so you can download. And so between the Machine ID and the download files, that's really mainly what you need. Once you do that, all you have to do is just go into a chart, like right here, and we can go to templates, and we go to load, and right here's a lot of different ones that we have. So it actually works out real well. You can load those and do what you need to do there. Also, in the options bot, if you load the strategy, and then you can go in and you can load the template for that. Like this one would be the 40 SPY mini bar. This is a very conservative trader, but it has high numbers daily. It does very well. Have any questions, let me know. Let's get you started, get you making money. I'm going to cut the lease off not too far from here because we're getting close to the number I want to be, so I'm not going to leave it open forever. But just get started, see what it can do for you, and make you a better trader. Have a great day.